Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at the column addition of 3 digits. Before we begin, if you're new to my science tutorials, kindly consider subscribing and turning on the notification button so that you do not miss any of our latest tutorials on this platform. Alright, so let's start our video tutorial by looking at an example. Say, example number 1. So we are to add the following. So we have 2, 2, 6 and 4, 7, 5. So what is going to be our answer? Now, to add 3 digits numbers, we start adding from our right to our left. So in this direction. So we start from the ones to the tens and then to the hundreds. So the first thing we have to do is to add the ones terms over here. So that is 6 and 5. Now 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. We do not have to write the total 11 over here. We just have to write one of the ones. That is the first one over here. So we write that over here. The second one over here, we send it to the next column of numbers. That is over here. So we bring that one over here. This one is the one at the top over here. Now we have 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 7, and that is equal to 10. So we have 10. As usual, I write my right digit, which is the 0 over here. I write 0, and then the one that is left, I send it onto the next column of numbers. So the 1 comes over here. So that 1 plus 2 is now 3, plus 4 is now 7. So my answer is 701. Let's have a look at another set of questions. Say we have 748 plus 663. What is going to be our answer over here? We do the same thing. We add 8 to 3. 8 plus 3 will give us 11. So we write the first one over here, and then we send the next one onto the 10th column. So it comes here 1. So 1 plus 4 will now give us 5. 5 plus 6 will give me 11. So that 11, I write the first one, then I carry the second one onto the 100th column. So now I have 1 plus 7, which is now 8. 8 plus 6, that will give me 14. Because I don't have any number after these guys, I can write the total 14 over here. So my final answer becomes 1411. Alright, so let's have a look at another question. Say we have 243 plus 122. Very simple addition. Over here, we have 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 will give us 5. We write down the 5. There is no number to be carried, so we move on to the next digit of numbers. So 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 will give me 6, so I write 6. There's nothing to carry, so I move to the next set of digits. That is 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 will give me 3, so I write down my 3 over here. So it means my final answer over here is 365. Alright, so let's have a look at more exercise. So let's try our hands on this question. 844 plus 578. 775 plus 328. And then lastly, 111 plus 334. Alright, so you can pause the video and add these numbers and then compare your answers after I'm done with my addition. Alright, so the first thing I will do is to rewrite these 3 digit values in the column format. So I have 8 4 4, then 5 7 8. My addition sign is over here. Note that I did not write 8 4 4 and then I brought my 5 7 8 over here. No, all the numbers have to be arranged in the proper format. So the ones should be under ones, the 10th under 10th, and then 100 under 100. So you don't write it like this, or you don't write 8 4 4 and then you bring 5 7 8 like this. No, make sure that all of them are perfectly aligned. All right, so let's go ahead and add our values. So we start by adding 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 will give us 12, 1 and 2. So we write the 2 and then we carry the 1 over here onto the next set of digits to be added. So we write the 2 here. We carry 1 and we place it at the top over here. So 1 plus 4 will give us 5. 5 plus 7 will give us 12. So from that 12, we still write the 2 and then we carry 1. So that 1 will be brought onto this set of values. Now we have 1 plus 8, which is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Because we don't have any numbers over here again, we just write our 14 over here. Note that in writing the 14, I wrote the 4 directly under this set of values over here. That is the 100th place value, and then I brought 1 onto the 1000th place value. So this become our answer for question number I. All right, so let's go ahead and look at II. So II, we have 775 plus 328. Okay, so as usual, we add 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 will give me 13. I write 3, and then the 1, I bring it to the top over here. So 1 plus 7 will give me 8, plus 2 will give me 10. Rather than writing the whole 10, I write the 0, and then I send the 1 onto the next set of values to be added. Now I have 1 plus 7, which is 8, plus 3, and that will give me 11. So I can now write that 11 over here. So this becomes my answer for II. All right, so let's proceed to look at III. We have 1 1 1 and then 3 3 4. Okay, so as usual, we add our ones term first. So it becomes 1 plus 4, that will give me a 5. 1 plus 3 will give me 4. 1 plus 3 will give me 4. So this becomes my answer after adding 111 and 334. So thank you so much for watching. This is how we add 3-digit numbers in the column format. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.